Eyelash curlers are essential beauty tools used to lift and curl eyelashes, making the eyes appear larger, more awake, and attractive. They are especially popular among makeup lovers because curled lashes enhance the overall eye makeup look, even without the use of mascara. A good eyelash curler gently bends the lashes upward, giving them a natural-looking curl that opens up the eyes and adds definition. Most curlers are made from stainless steel or plastic and feature a curved clamp with soft rubber or silicone pads to prevent lash damage. They are designed to fit comfortably at the base of the lashes and apply even pressure to avoid pulling or breaking the lashes. When used properly, they are completely safe and can make a dramatic difference in one's appearance within seconds. There are several types of eyelash curlers available in the market. The most common type is the traditional clamp curler, which is manually operated and works well for most eye shapes. Heated eyelash curlers are another modern option that use gentle heat to create a longer-lasting curl, especially for stubborn or straight lashes. Mini curlers are designed for precise curling of specific lash sections, like the corners of the eyes. To achieve the best results, it is recommended to curl the lashes before applying mascara, as curling afterward can lead to lash breakage. The curler should be held at the base of the lashes and gently pressed for 5 to 10 seconds. Regular cleaning of the pads is also important to maintain hygiene and avoid eye infections. Overall, eyelash curlers are a simple